In this video, let's talk about how to use Duolingo mistakes review for 2x learning. Now, in order to use the mistakes feature, you can simply tap on the practice hub, which should be visible on the bottom of your screen. If you're currently using Duolingo.com on the web, make sure you also check it out on the app version to see if it is available on the bottom. If you have not yet made a significant progress inside of your lessons, you may not be able to view it, but if you have, you simply will be able to see the option of a dumbbell being displayed. This feature allows you to focus specifically on sentences you previously missed and turning your errors into high-speed learning opportunities. So once you're inside of the dumbbell feature or the dumbbell section, which is the practice hub, you'll be prompted with exact exercises you failed recently. So by following this exact process, you can head over to mistakes review for your 2x learning. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for this one. I'm going to see you in the next video.